Hi, this is Sandy from Spitfire's Customer Experience team, and in this video I'm going to take a quick look at how to load and use the Kepler Orchestra Demo patches. When you open the Kepler Orchestra Demo patches folder, you'll find two subfolders. Each of these contains an NKI file, which is the instrument that you can load in Kontakt. Now for these demos, you're going to need Kontakt Full, but the final product, released May 23rd, will also work in the free Kontakt player. You can check if your copy of Kontakt is full or the free player by checking the text that is displayed in the top left. A full copy will say Kontakt, like it does here, whereas the free Kontakt player will say Kontakt Player. To load the NKI in Kontakt, you can just double-click it and it will appear. You can also click and drag the NKI directly into Kontakt, or you can also click Files in the top left here and navigate to where you have the demo patches stored, and then click and drag them or double click them like you did from Finder. When we open the Kepler Orchestra demo patches, we'll see that we have a simple dynamics fader. This behaves much like the dynamics faders in our other libraries, and is assigned to the mod wheel on your keyboard, or CC1, by default. The dynamics fader does what it says on the tin and controls the dynamics of the sound. Let's hear what that sounds like. We also have three other controls for the feedback of the delay effect, the send level of our reverb effect, or the drive setting for our tape saturation. For any of these controls, you can right-click or control-click on Windows and choose Learn MIDI CC Automation and assign that to a control on your MIDI controller. If you load this patch in Kontakt Player, you'll see the word Demo appear here, and after 20 minutes, this will time out. That should give you some time to play around with the patches though, and the final library, again, will work in the free Kontakt Player. For the second of our patches, which I'll load now, we have the same controls, but this time the dynamics fader also has a gating effect. Let's hear what that sounds like. If you're unsure about any of this, don't hesitate to reach out to us at spitfireaudio.com/support. Thank you.